Some people will never understand this. But you got some good people who will always remember this. Oftentimes people ask me, why you love Jamaica, son? Why you can't travel other places in our world? But the first you think about traveling, the first thing coming to mind is Jamaica. And then me have to reflect and go back and tell you, I love everything about Jamaica. I love when I wake up a morning time. I love to hear the cock them outside a crow. I love to hear the dog them a bark. I love to hear the neighbor them a cuss. It may sound funny, but I love to hear when mother call them picnic to send them to shop. I love to see the tree them where we grew up with. The old lucky tree, the old breadfruit tree, the old coconut tree. I have a special ear when I back part of the house. I love go there morning time. Go take a morning peace. I love everything about my country. I love Jamaica bad. I love under a tree where the grave then there. With Auntie Pam, Uncle Carlton, Auntie Jennifer, Mama Lou. Everybody there underneath the big tree on the back of rest. I love the fact that I can always sit down and hold a vibes with my dead ancestors them. I love to hear when the sound them string up and something go on. Jesus, I love to see big part them by the fire. I love the excitement. I don't know why I develop this love for night. I love night. I love how they sing, I love how they go on. I love how everybody just have a good time when they come to night. Lord, I love when it rain. I love to hear the rain drop on the house top. I love all the mud. I love everything about Jamaica. I love to all watch all the mosquitoes suck out all my blood. And then me clap him. I love to black up my hand for you with the cold pot. Jesus, me love the river. Me love the gathering at the river. Me love to see Sunday day when everybody gather by the river. Some look good, some belly bang. But yet still, we just live as one. Me love my country, I swear. Me love to take drive out in the country area and see my boy them on the road. I sell the red and white box and donut them. Me love to see the shrimp man. As me see the red shrimp back, my mouth start to run water. Me love the high cool water them. Jesus Christ. Me love to see the jelly man. Me love when me I go through porous and me see the whole of the fruits them. Catch up on the tree, jackfruit, neighbor fruit, orange, you name it. God Almighty, we have it. And now we to Mandeville and all them place there when the change of climate hit your body and you start feel shivery. God, me love Jamaica bad. Me love it. Me not tell no lie. Me really love it. Young people, I wanna go on with man. Me I beg you no please man. Ease up with the crime and violence no man. We do it nice to know you and trust me right now. Not even for the money, me don't give a damn star. Right now, me just want to go back to my motherland. Young people, gangster, bad man, ease up no man. Ease up with the killing no man. Ease up with them things no man. Something not necessary man. We want to come home no star. We tired of this no man. We build a little place down there no man. We want to come back and relax no man. We sick and tired for hear how every day somebody a drop out by the gunman. We no ease up with it no man. God Almighty man. Yo, me love Jamaica land. I swear me love it.